First, take all the accessories out of the box. The package contains 4K dash camera, suction cup mount, 1080p rear camera, power supply cable with car charger, USB Type-C cable, user instruction and other accessories. Loosen the knot on the suction cup mount. Align the bracket with the slot for the front camera and snap it in. Tighten after adjusting the angle. Remove the protective film from the bottom of the bracket. Install it where you need it and lock it in place. Follow the locking icon on the suction cup to tighten or remove it. Flexible angle adjustment of the bracket. Take out the 64 GB memory card. Insert the memory card into the dash camera according to the instructions. Tear off the protective film and screen protector on the dash camera before use. Connect the Type-C end of the cigarette lighter to the dash camera. The screen lights up and the image appears on the screen. Take out rear camera. Remove the protective film from the camera before use. Remove the 3M sticker from the camera. Install it on the rear windshield according to the angle you need. The angle of the camera can be adjusted flexibly. Pictures on both channels. Press and hold the up button on the dash camera to turn on Wi-Fi. Search VideoCar app on Apple Store or Google Play. Download and install VideoCar app. Run VideoCar app. Click on Allow while using app. Click on WLAN cellular. Click on OK and Allow. Click on Connect device. Click on OK. Jump to the WLAN interface and connect to the same Wi-Fi as on the logger, and enter the password. Follow the prompts on the dash camera. Switch to VideoCar app after successful connection. Click on Connect device. Click the recording icon to enter the recording function. Click the first icon to save the current screen. Click the video icon again to close the recording and save the recorded video. Click on the third icon to enter the album. You can view the screenshots as well as the recorded video here. Long press on a file to download, delete, or exit the selected file. Click the arrow to return to the main interface area. Tap the power button to exit the current device. A blinking dot on the screen indicates the video is being recorded. The GPS icon is green to indicate a successful positioning. When there is no positioning, the icon is white and blinking. Press OK key to turn off the video recording function. You can't enter the menu interface in the video recording state. Press the N key to enter the menu mode. Press the OK key to enter the resolution. Press the up and down keys to select the resolution you need and press OK to confirm. Press the up and down keys to switch to the loop recording. Press the OK key to confirm. Press the up and down keys to select recording duration. Press OK to confirm. Press the up and down keys to switch to the exposure. Press the OK key to confirm. You can adjust the value of exposure. Enter the WDR icon to turn on or off the WDR function. Enter the screensaver icon to set the screensaver duration. Press the M key to return to the menu interface. Enter the parking guard icon to view motion detection, time-lapse video, impact detection. To use this function, you need to connect the hardwire kit first. Enter the G sensor icon to adjust sensitivity. Enter the audio record icon to turn audio record on or off. Enter the keypad sound icon to turn keypad sound on or off. Enter the language icon to select the language you need. Enter the time icon to set date and time. Enter the Wi-Fi icon to turn the Wi-Fi function on or off. Enter the frequency icon to select the frequency you need. Enter the mirror rear image icon to turn on or off the rear camera mirror. Enter the speed icon to select the speed unit to use. Enter the daylight saving icon to turn on or off the daylight save function. Enter the GPS icon to turn GPS on or off. Enter the time zone icon to select your desired time zone. Enter the format icon to format the SD card. When you insert a new SD card, please format the SD card first. Enter the default setting icon to restore factory settings. Enter the version icon to view version information.